Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be another get ready with me for Halloween. Now I get it's a little early to do my makeup and such, but at the end of the day we're gonna be doing it a little early. As y'all can see, I got glasses on. Sorry about that. But at the end of the day, we are going to be getting ready for Halloween. It's currently like only 4:34 right now. But at the end of the day, we're going to be getting ready a little bit early so that way I'm prepared and I'm all ready for Halloween. And I will be showing you guys my Halloween costume, but not right now. So first I want to get ready and then we'll get started. So let's go ahead and get started with putting on my makeup and all that good stuff. By the way, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. If you want to go buy it, I'll have to have I'm not gonna have a link down below as I'm not gonna be sponsoring this eyeshadow palette. But if you guys want something like this, then go ahead and find it at your local Walmart or whatever. At the end of the day, this is the eyeshadow that I'm using. That's all. I just wanted to share that with y'all because I'm not sponsoring this. This is not paid promotion. But at the end of the day, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with my other things that we're gonna get started with. Let's put on my eyeliner and let's go ahead and get started with that. Now I'm going to be adding chapstick for a little while because my lips do get chapped, but I'm going to be adding in with, I'm going to be blending in the chapstick with, with basically this eyeshadow, in case you're wondering. So I'm going to blend it in with this eyeshadow. I'm letting my eye dry out, like my eyeliner dry out for just like a few seconds, so let's go ahead and get started with that right now. Okay, so all you can see, you guys can now see my, it's kind of like, you know, it's basically, yeah, it's whatever. Go ahead and start with this eyeliner, so let's go ahead and get started with that right now. So yeah. Next thing I'm going to be adding is I'm going to be adding this to my eye, currently this eye, then we'll be adding this to my second eye, so we'll do that later. But first let's add it to this eye, this side at the moment, like this side. I got some on my hand, but don't worry, I'll be fine. I will be starting off with basically doing this with this eye, so let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so as y'all can see, we're gonna be doing my hair. Let's go ahead and straighten it out. Guys, so basically I am done doing my hair, I'm done doing my makeup, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be for Halloween. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that. So this is what I was gonna be for Halloween, in case you guys care. So yeah, I'm gonna be a kiwi bird. you know, the little bird in New Zealand. If you are from New Zealand, comment down the New Zealand flag, and then comment down the heart flag, and comment down the New Zealand flag with the heart flag, the heart emoji with the American flag. Although I do live in America, yeah. So at the same time, I'm gonna be being a kiwi bird for like this Halloween. So yeah, there you guys go, and I'm gonna be wearing this for y'all, so that way you guys can see, hey, I'm gonna be a kiwi bird. So yeah. Okay guys, so as y'all could see, I have my costume on. So as you can see, this is the beak or whatever, and this is like the eyes, in case y'all care. But yeah, here's my Halloween costume, and as you can see, I do have wings. It's alright. I get that kiwi birds cannot fly, I get that. But if you are from New Zealand, comment down a heart emoji, so yeah. So that way, like, I know, and comment this down if you love my costume, if you'd like. So anyways, this is my costume, so yeah. Anyways guys, that's all I'm going to be doing for today. If you guys love this video, please comment down if you're from New Zealand and if you love my costume. Like I said, I get that kiwi birds cannot fly, I get that they're just a flightless bird, but at the same time, if you're from New Zealand, please comment down the New Zealand flag emoji, the heart emoji with the American flag emoji, and then comment that down. And if you guys like my costume, then yeah, go ahead and like it, whatever. But I'll see you guys till then. Bye.